Work communication doesn't just happen in meetings anymore. It happens in direct messages, comment threads, job listings, and reviews. That's the new normal. At Facework Simulations, we get it. That's why we built training that feels like the real thing. Scrolling through Facebook, replying in Slack, handling a tough review on Google, or spotting a sketchy message on WhatsApp. You're not clicking through slides, you're in it, making decisions, solving problems, and building confidence right inside the apps people use every day. It's practical, it's real, and definitely not boring. First up, Facebook. Maybe a coworker's post goes a little too far. Do you comment, report it, let it slide? These are the kinds of choices we help you navigate with zero risk and real-time feedback. Then there's Slack. Those internal messages, not always so internal. We train you to read between the lines, stay professional, and spot when something doesn't feel right, including hackers pretending to be part of the team. Then a job offer pops up in Outlook. Looks polished, but the red flags pile up fast. Sketchy links, pushy tone, mismatched info. In our simulation, learners don't just spot the risks, they get tips, write real responses, and build digital communication skills in a realistic platform. In our customer review simulation, we don't just focus on restaurants or retail. Imagine this: a patient logs into their medical portal and finds a message that's clear, compassionate, and easy to understand. Instead of cold clinical language, the doctor simplifies a complex diagnosis, helping the patient feel seen, supported, and informed. That's what great digital communication looks like, and that's exactly what Facework trains for, whether it's responding to a Google review or delivering sensitive info through a portal. Now, imagine you're the one responding to public reviews. 5 stars? Great. 1 star? That's where it gets tricky. We'll guide you through replying professionally, no matter how bad it gets. Next, your phone buzzes. You just got a job offer, but something feels off. Is it legit or a scam? Facework helps you spot red flags before it's too late. And on platforms like Indeed or LinkedIn, not every opportunity is what it seems. We walk you through fake listings, sketchy recruiters, and misleading language so you know what to trust and what to avoid. And let's not forget Twitter, now X. One wrong tweet or tone-deaf reply can go viral for all the wrong reasons. We help you understand the speed, visibility, and weight of public communication, especially when things heat up. And that's Facework Simulations, digital communications, and real scenarios. For more information, visit faceworksimulations.com.